Hey guys, Aaron here for the love of tech. I love technology. I love unboxing technology. I love bringing new technology to you, to everybody, to anyone who's willing to click the button and watch my video. But alas, I have been unable to secure an iPad Pro 12.9 inches. And I have been on an adventure. Best Buy order after Best Buy order, delayed Apple date, Amazon orders, and everything else. And I've been unsuccessful. What's that, Baby Yoda? Baby Yoda says he can get me an iPad Pro 12.9 inch M1. Oh yeah, Baby Yoda? Where is it? What? Where did this come from? Is this really in here? What is this? That's right, guys. Baby Yoda has brought me an iPad Pro, and I've been through the ringer a little bit trying to get a hold of this lovely device and bring it to you. And I finally have secured it through a Best Buy of all places. I'm crazy excited to have an already powerful iPad Pro powered by the M1 chip. I do not refresh or update my iPads every single year, because I don't feel they make enough advancements year after year. And when they do, I buy one. This year, they made one, I bought one. So let's get right into it. Let's get right into it, shall we? So like always, everything Apple gives us a nice little Apple pull tab. Such a dork. All right, so here it is. This is pretty light for what it is. This is, and I shall review with you, a 12.9 inch 5th generation 512 gigabytes Wi-Fi and cellular. Now I'm hoping it will work as easy peasy, me inserting my Verizon SIM into it, and then that's it. So let's go ahead and look for our little magic Apple tab, as I like to call it, right here. Easy peasy. Ooh. Peeling that right off. Ugh. For all you weirdos out there that watch my video, thank you. A little bit more for you weirdos. Like, comment, subscribe. Just kidding. Play it out. Okay. All right. So iPad Pro. It is gorgeous. It is good. It's gorgeous. It's a nice box, nice and colorful. If I had to guess, what we have in here is an iPad, a charging brick, maybe, and a power cord. USB-C to Lightning. If I had to guess, maybe a little gimmick like this, one of these little guys, and that's it. Apple unboxings are easy. We know exactly what to expect, sometimes what not to expect, like what we're not getting. So there was a nice little cutout there. That camera, which is pretty beefy compared to years past, which I have my other one here I will share with you in a moment. But to go ahead and confirm my, oh, I made a mistake. It's USB-C to USB-C on this, not Lightning. Sorry about that. So here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and we have a nice little, probably 30-watt charging brick. I don't know if Apple puts it on here or if 20-watt. Okay, so they do, and it's 20-watt charging brick, so nothing too exciting. I wonder if we have any Apple stickers, and we do. So let's go ahead and point out the fact that this is the silver model, and I historically tend to go towards space gray. However, I wanted to go silver because I wanted to get the white keyboard. I wanted to do something new, something different, something refreshed for myself. I currently have the space gray iPad Pro. I believe it is now 3rd generation iPad Pro with the updated smart keyboard, I believe they call it, not the Folio. So I wanted something different to go along with this. So I went silver, the silver white look, because I haven't been in that area in a while. Ever since Space Gray came out, I've been Space Gray everything. So here it is. So it's exactly what I would expect. It's an iPad wrapped in plastic. Everything I've always wanted from Apple. So we have both of these iPad Pros in front of us. Let's go ahead and just take a little look-see-loo. Again, this is the 3rd generation. The 4th gen is when they really beefed up the camera. So go ahead and just give you a good comparison there. This is a 3rd gen camera. This is a 5th generation camera. Line that up right on top of each other. You can get a really, really good look-see-loo of the difference in size. I know what you're thinking when you're looking at this comparison. You're thinking, why do I need such a big camera on my iPad? So that's what you need this camera for, to take pictures with, silly. And I guess the LiDAR scanner and the other stuff is supposed to be cool. I don't really know. I have never taken one photo with this camera. It's like brand new. Does somebody want to buy it? I've never even taken a photo. I have taken selfie photos with this one many times. Just the color difference, other than that, what are we looking at here as far as difference in size? I think just doing a little look here. This one, if you take a look, it's a little bit thicker. You can see that it bumps up a little bit more. This is a complete flat surface, so it's not flush, if you will. There we go. Here it is, the iPad Pro. I guess we will fire it up and see what it does. It probably turns on. Don't really know if it's going to be much different from this one, but this one does not have the M1 chip. It has the A7 Bionic, I believe, which is good enough. It's phenomenal. Before I get you all excited by turning this on, let me go ahead and just review with you the cost of this. What we have going on here, 12.9 iPad Pro, 512 gigs, Wi-Fi, and 5G data. Adding your Apple Care for $149, you're looking at doing $1,599 or $133 per month. I think that's for 12 months. And if you use the Apple Card, all that stuff, you get free interest, installments, all those goodies. So what I will tell you is it is more expensive than that one. These things are getting more and more expensive. They're getting more and more impressive. They're being able to do more and more things. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on and take a little look. Hit that power button. And here we are. Lovely Apple logo. Isn't that thing a gem? I don't really know what we're supposed to do, how impressive the startup is, but I'm gonna spend a moment, set it up, and I'll be right back. You know, I said that I was going to be stopping everything, but I changed my mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this iPad Pro. We're going to log in really quick and we're going to get going because I want you to witness the magical integration in which I call Apple magic. And that is when things just know that they're family, they're part of your family, and they work together like butter. Do you like butter? I like butter. So that is why they work so good together. So we're gonna come over here and we just do my little Cody code. So here is this. I think I just upgraded this to the most recent software. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm actually on beta, which is kind of poopy. This is 14.7 beta. So we're gonna leave that alone, but we're gonna see if we can still activate Apple Magic over here. All right, so we're gonna go English, and then it says, hey, setting up a new iPad. Yep, that's what we're doing here, guys. You gotta take this and kind of hover it over and take a picture of your spot. Oh, where did it go? Oh, there it is. There we go. It says finishing up. Enter the passcode on the other iPad. Easy peasy. All right. And it is setting up the iPad. So over here, we've got a finish. In here, we've got setting up, and it's gonna take a few minutes. So that is what I wanted to show you. So I'm gonna complete that and be right back.
There will now be a short intermission.
The iPad Pro is sporting some new technology that we didn't have years past. We have a 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, which is the best display. Again, Apple always says the best display out there on anything. They're pushing all sorts of numbers, all sorts of technology, this mini LED stuff to give you the best possible picture. My verdict, I shall refrain from rendering yet because I haven't had a chance to spend a lot of time with this iPad Pro. It has 5G speed, which is amazing. I have 5G in my area. It also is boosting Wi-Fi 6, which is pretty awesome, especially for the house. Now, one of the things I'm really excited about is the camera in this new ultra wide camera with some technology in there called center stage. Now, what is center stage? Center stage is easily defined by this. The all new center stage uses ultra wide cameras and machine learning to change the way you participate in video calls. As you move around, it automatically pans and keeps you centered in the frame. When others join or leave the call, the view expands or zooms in. Center stage works with FaceTime and other video conferencing apps for an even more engaging experience. Center stage is super new, super cool, and I want to go ahead and do a couple different video samples of what it looks like in, let's say, a FaceTime. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out, see if I can get anybody to answer. We'll go ahead and see.
What's the matter?
I'm just testing my FaceTime. Is that okay?
All right.
Can I call you back on the new device in a second?
All right. Yeah, love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye. So that was FaceTime on the old technology. Let's go ahead and see FaceTime on the new technology.
Hello. Oh, hey.
So I'm just testing out my new iPad, and the camera follows me when I move.
That's pretty fucking dope.
Oh, I'm screen recording this and putting it in the video, so
Oh.
I'm pretty fucking dope. Say hi, everyone. This is Amanda. She's one of my amazing managers that makes my life hard.
Manageable.
But I'm glad to have her. All right, I'll let you go.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
I love this.
I know, it follows me. FaceTime following center stage does its deal, does its thing, and it works. So this is just one of the many fun new features located within the 2021 M1 iPad Pro. And I guess it's in either version, so you don't have to drop the bank like I did to go and spend $1,500 for an iPad with AppleCare. But in my defense, there is no defense. In my justification, I only buy a new iPad every couple years, 2 to 3 years to be specific, and I use it every single day. I will actually use this iPad to write a couple scripts on a couple upcoming videos so I can gain some additional information, insight, and experience so I can provide you guys a good proper review. Thanks for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe. If you really like my content, share it with your friends and family on social media. This year, 2021, is the best year for all of us, and I hope you have a great day, or evening, or morning, or a great whatever, depending on when you're watching this video. For the love of tech, till next time, namaste.